Okay, got my 2018 Jeep Renegade here, and I'm gonna check out the cabin air filter, see what kind of condition it's in, and I'll show you where it's at and how to get to it. It's gonna be behind this glove box here. You're gonna have to take the glove box kind of apart a little bit. You're gonna need a Torx T25 bit. If you come up over here, there's these screws right up here. You need to take these out, and we're gonna pull the glove box out. Pretty simple, it's not that hard. Okay, so look down here, and there's 3 more. Hopefully you can see that. I'm going to take these 3 out also. Once you have those out, you're just going to yank the glove box out. On the side here, we're going to need to get rid of this panel right here. So, unclip this guy, then you'll have another Torx right here. Alright, now we can pull the glove box out. And your cabin filter is located in this box right here. There's a little clip on the side, we're just going to pull it. Okay. And then we have a Phillips screw actually holding this one in right here. You just unscrew that. So I unscrewed that, just remove it, and then this side here just clips in on that side right there. And note the direction of the airflow if you get a new filter. If you need a new filter, I'll leave that information down in the description box for you, make that easy for you. But checking this one out. It's low miles on this one, so it actually doesn't look too bad. And got some leaves in it. I'll shake that out, but I don't think I'm gonna replace this just yet. I think I'm gonna wait another oil change or 2. But go ahead and shake this out. Alright. When you get your new one, you just drop it back in there. Put the door back on the left side first. You can clip it back on. And you can put that screw back if you want. You can leave it off. I'm gonna leave mine off for right now because I'm gonna come back and put a filter in there. My next oil change. And then we're just going to lift the glove box up, put the screws back in it, and that's pretty much it. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was useful. And if it was, do me a favor and leave me a comment or hit that thumbs up button. Thank you.